guys.
Right, now what we're going to do is we're going to get you guys right here. But what I'm going to do first, a couple of people up the front, a couple of people on that side of the seat. So let's get you guys to hang out here.
Here's it, guys.
You guys are a group of two? Yeah. Is there any to sit?
What? It's for it. Oh, is it?
Like I said, walk along the seats if you need to, no worries. If you need a hand on the seats,
There's no one in the front, we'll go in the front.
Yeah.
I think it's the elderly. I'm not sure.
no falling in the lake allowed time.
Could we sit in the front?
Yeah.
Yeah, front it is.
Yeah. Yeah, walk along this one, jump on into the front here for a start.
That's the skipper.
There we go. Now, you do have a cushion just there in front of you. It might work pretty well for you just because you're a little bit on the shorter side, so feel free to sit on that if you like.
Yes. Yeah.
Sit on the cushion.
Huh?
He said you can sit on the cushion.
Yeah, please. Nice, guys. So we're in the front, by the face here.
You got a seat? Yeah, no worries. Yeah. Righty. I'm here for
Put it like that. Yes. Yeah, of course. Let's get the details and then I'll send it to you.
Once we come here?
Yeah, all good. Yeah, oh, worries.
Normally post it in YouTube.
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
Then
Yeah, so
or Facebook, we can tag you.
we could send it to your Facebook or Messenger. No, it's alright.
Oh, yeah. When you load this Facebook, they can just follow.
Yeah.
But you get their Facebook. They'll get their Facebook.
I'm gonna swim in the water later. See the clear water? So clear.
Okay. Oh, you should be okay. As long as hold on to there and push yourself towards the back, okay? Yep. Good. Alrighty. Everyone comfortable enough?
Yes.
Right. Well, welcome along to KJet. My name's Punny. I'll be your driver today.
Awesome.
Look, what we're going to start off with is we're just going to head out into the bay and run over a couple of safety things quickly. And then we'll go rip into the first spin of the afternoon. Does that sound alright to you guys?
Cool. Perfect.
Any questions from you guys before we shoot off? No, everyone's happy enough?
Yeah.
Well, if that changes, just let me know. Alright.
Nobody in front of you.
Is it nice?
Alrighty team, look, a bit of safety stuff before we go. Look, the main one is, once we're up and moving along, just make sure you guys are staying in your seats. Look, during the trip, especially on a beautiful day like today, we're going to stop off at a few places so you guys can jump up, have a bit of a look around, grab some pictures, maybe wipe some water off the seat, who knows. But if it's cool, I'll let you know when they come along, alrighty? Now, if you sat around the outside of the boat, part of my job is going to be getting us close to a few things along the way. Just try not to reach out and pluck the leaves off the trees, just keep everything inside the boat. Then lastly, if you see me doing that one up in the air nice and high, that means we're going in for a spin. Best thing for you guys to do, grab hold of those handrails in front of you, plant the feet down on the silver plate down there, that's the one, push yourself towards the back of the seat, lock yourself in nice and tight, alrighty? So we'll start off with maybe 1 or 2 softer spins, just so everyone gets an idea of how it works. But during the trip, I'm just going to speed them up as we go. If anyone's having any issues with the spins at all, just yell out, let me know. They're real easy to change up. Does that sound okay? Then last thing, safety stuff on board. Got a radio on me. Radio up the front here. First aid kit in the dash. And there's a fire extinguisher down underneath my feet. Chances are we're not going to need the major ones, but it's a good idea to have them on board just in case. Everyone happy with that?
Yep.
Yes.
Awesome.
Alrighty.
Beautiful.
Look, we'll start off the day with a bit of a spin then. We'll head out into the bay. Do a wee loop back on ourselves. Come on in and chuck in our first spin. Roughly where the orange boat is now. Like I said, a little bit of a softer one to get us started. We'll go from there. Everyone happy?
Yes.
Hold on!
Spin!
My goodness. Oh my goodness! Awesome maneuver!
No problems, no issues.
Yeah!
Some of you guys may have already found out there's a bit of splashing involved today. Lucky enough, big yellow's out to dry us off. But obviously, if you're getting a bit wet, you're going to be mad at me when we get back to Queensland. Let me know first so I can change it. Alright? Everyone good with that?
Yep.
Cool. Look, last thing for me, filming and stuff, go nuts. Don't stick them out the boat though, obviously. Yep. But yeah, hold on to whatever you're filming on nice and tight. She ends up in the drink. Well, yeah, she's a bit of a goner. And yeah, any questions along the way, start not feeling well, just let me know. I'm right here. Alrighty? From here, out around the corner, we'll get across the lake nice and fast. Bit more fun to be had on those rivers today. Might be a little bit bumpy, but once we're on the rivers, nice and flat, foot goes down. All good to go?
Yeah.
Awesome. Oh my Lord. Yeah, boy. That's our hotel. We're just hotel, guys. Hey, say hello. Spin, spin.
Oh, no.
You're right.
Our first casualty of the day.
Awesome, awesome. Oh, good. Excellent driving.
Where's that cushion?
Oh, it's
Now,
there.
what you do, put that behind your back. That's the one. Yeah, like that. And it'll push you forward a wee bit and you'll be able to lock your feet in. Yeah?
That's why.
Only, look, just a quick check-in, make sure everyone was alright.
Yeah.
No problems.
All good, guys. Just gonna pause for a while for photo taking here, and we're in the middle of lake. I think this one is Arthur's Bay or Arthur's
yeah, look, we're
Lake.
across the lake now, down underneath the Calvado Falls Dam behind you, and on river number 1. This one here is called the Calvado. And what we're going to do is carry on down here for a few more minutes until we reach the Shotover River. Once we get there, that's all stop for a decent breather. You guys can jump up. We'll have a bit of a yarn there. Does that sound okay?
Good.
How the spins for everyone so far?
Excellent.
Is everyone okay if we speed them up just a little bit?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Also, like I said at the start, any problems, just let me know. Alrighty?
Especially the trees, exciting.
Just a really loud scream and all that. Yeah.
Feels like we're gonna hit the trees.
Bit of what?
The trees.
Hit the trees.